Hey everyone, what is going on? It's Wilson. Welcome back to another video. So I get asked a lot, how much do some of these top stock traders make? How much do they make day trading? Can you only make money day trading? Yesterday I made a video on how you can swing trade and be highly profitable. Look, when it comes to trading stocks, you want to have your own strategy and a style that works for you. You have to choose the lifestyle that you desire. I'm a more hybrid trader because I'm more busy on my other work life, and I do run businesses. So I like being a hybrid trader. I like doing both, and I have separate accounts for both, as I mentioned. But I want to give you guys some insights on different type of traders with different styles, and they're all profitable. And you'll be surprised by some of these numbers. All these trades are verified trades, so that means that they did log their broker transactions, and everything is legit. These people have proof behind all their trades. So let's start off with a very famous trader, Tim Kotani. As you can tell, his lifetime amount of trades is roughly 5.4 million in profits, with 4,203 winning trades and roughly a little bit over 1,900 in losing trades. But he gets almost a 70% win rate, which is pretty positive. Remember, you only have to be over 50% to be profitable. And he gains roughly an average gain of $2,000 per per trade. But Tim Gritani's style is totally different as well. He loves trading OTC stocks. He's known to trade marijuana stocks back in the past when it was very hot. He's really good at identifying hot sectors, and that's his style. He likes going for OTC stocks, and he likes to get in big positions. But this is Tim Gritani. Let's look at Roland Wolf, another really famous day trader. He mainly focuses on day trade, but I really love his unique style because midday he tends to do a lot of midday trades as well. He's really good at spotting midday momentums, downfalls, when to buy in, when to exit. He's really good. He hasn't been trading for too long, as you can see, but from his short amount of trading time, he's already over 450K in profit with an average win rate of 63%. So that's pretty good. And these aren't every single one of his trade. I'm sure he's a little bit more profitable than this. Next one, Super Trades. Another one of my most favorite traders. He's a swing trader. And swing trading isn't the easiest. You need a lot of patience, as I mentioned in my previous video that I put up yesterday on swing trading with a full-time job. But he's very good at identifying hot sectors, low flow stocks, high volume, that has a lot of booming potential, such as AI stocks. He marked out like the stock ticker MARK, MARK, which did really well. And he's really good at looking at just these hot sectors, analyzing financial backgrounds, looking at their accounting sheets. He comes from an accounting background, so he's really good and he's really patient. And he clocks in big amounts per trades. So as you can tell, he has a higher average gain at roughly over $8,300 per trade. Turbo Bob, very good friend of mine. Bob Knight, his full name. He hasn't been logging his trades for too long, but as you can tell, he's a mixed trader. I love his style. I did an interview with him that you can find on this channel where he explains how he loves to buy certain strategies, and I love his approach to having a little hybrid mix similar to my trading style. He doesn't scalp too much, and he takes it very passively, but at the same time, he trades momentum stocks to the point where it's not so boring. But still over 379K in profits, logged over a little bit over 1,800 trades with an average gain of a little bit over 300, close to 400. So not too bad. Very good win rate and pretty good gain rate every single year. As you can tell, the profit loss chart is always going up. Ducks. Stephen Du is his real name. I did another interview with him on my channel. You can check him out. He's a very wonderful trader, mainly known for short selling. See, that's his style. Everyone on this list has their own unique style. And over the course of not too long again, he's already been able to generate 1.4 million plus in profits. So that's amazing. And he's mainly short seller. So 95% of his trades short. If you're looking to learn the strategies, just watch the interview that I did with him. Fabulous trader, very solid gains, a little bit over $1,200 for almost every single one, with a very positive win rate of 73% higher. And here's like a leaderboard of all-time pretty well-known day and swing traders. As you can tell, LX21, he makes massive position size. So when he does gain, he gains a lot. But he comes from a very he has a long story behind his background. Of course, there's Tim Sykes on here. There's Ozark Trades, who's still a very active day trader. Orland, who trades a lot of OTC stocks. Matthew, who kind of went from trading stocks to trading more futures and forex now. And there's Michael Goody and all those good stuff. And of course, Superman, my favorite swing trader, is on the list. Well, I hope this video gave you guys some motivation out there, and you can explore different types of trading with different types of styles. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and give it a thumbs up. As always, this is Wilson. You can follow me on Twitter at Wilson8. Feel free to leave a comment, and stay tuned for the next video.